Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to open a package file on Windows. There are some method you can open, guys. First, for example, you have to open this file, and what you can do, guys, just use 7-Zap. As you can see here, this is popular archive on web. You can download and use for open the file, and you can use WinRAR, guys. WinRAR, it's also great archiver and popular, and you can use to extract your file easily. And this is guide how you can use on Windows 10 and Windows 11 to open, for example, this file. And you have as you can see, just click open, and you can use this star file, and this is also great. This is how you can do, guys, to open, and you make sure you have antivirus to security your device. I hope this video helpful for you guys. See you on another video soon.